is meant by stress and what is meant by strain. Generally, we can see the stress is defined as force per unit area. For example, the internal resistance developed in a body per unit area due to externally applied load. So mathematically, the test is defined as the load per unit area of cross section of the body or force per unit area. The restoring or recovering force per unit area set up inside the body is called stress. Now we can see what is meant by strain. For example, let us consider eraser, the rubber of length L. We are giving the compressive load P. So the length is compressed. So the compressive strain is change in length by original length is equal to del L by L. Now we applied the tensile load on both sides of the rubber. The del L is positive. The tensile strain we can define change in length by original length as del L by L. Now we see bending moment. Bending moment is the algebraic sum of the moment of forces to the left or the right of the section taken above the section. The bending moment is the measure of the average internal stress induced in a structural element when an external force or moment is applied to the element causing the element to bend. Like this. So bending moment can be classified into two categories, non-uniform bending moment and uniform bending moment. First we will see about non-uniform bending moment. When we load the beam only at the point of the beam or non-uniformly, the bending is called non-uniform bending. Therefore the cantilever bending is non-uniform bending. Non-uniform bending, the perfect example is street lamp. The lamp post acts as a beam. The one end is fixed. Another the lamp beam is cantilever beam. So concentrated load is applied at the end of the beam. So it bends. The load is applied at the free end. It gets bended by the angle theta. Now we see in that uniform bending. When an uniform load is acting on the beam, the envelope of the beam bend form an arc of the circle and the bending is called uniform bending. Determination of Young's modulus by uniform bending. Here we consider the beam loaded with a end of both the end W and corresponding force is applied upward direction as W. The bending moment we can say W into X equal to E into Ig by R. So X is the distance from the loaded end and the knife edges. AB is the knife edges there. If the curve of the beam is elevated through a distance y, then by the properties of the circle, rule of the geometrical and mathematical derivation, we can write it 2 minus ry into y. Then L squared by 4 is equal to 2ry minus y squared. Since y is very small, y squared can be neglected. Therefore, we can write it 1 by r is equal to del y by